a little crooked?
Look.
Oh shit.
What happened?
I don't know. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Why are you yelling?
I don't know, but we're headed over to Joseph's. That's a good time. So we are finally working on the air-to-water intercooler. Came in the other day, and today we're finally going to work on some bracketry for it. We went to Lowe's with 6 minutes till close last night, and we got the brackets for it, and then we got off on tangents, and we started bullshitting about bullshit, fluid dynamics, and all this other bullshit. And that's typically what we do over there, so we don't get anything done. But it's a good time. We are headed back over there. Hopefully we're gonna actually mount up the air-to-water. That way next week on Monday, I can actually order some fittings and some lines and any new intercooler pipe we might need. So, we'll see you guys
once we get over there.
Funny, right, Joe? Joe, you think I'm funny? Yeah, you don't think I'm very funny. So this is the bracket we built for the air-to-water.
Don't look at them welds.
Don't look at them welds, Joe said.
Pretty bad.
It's just a bracket, who cares? Then we're gonna paint that or powder coat it.
It's Chinese aluminum.
What do you get?
It doesn't weld good.
So here's the air-to-water. So we've just been making that bracket for it. It's just gonna hang right in the middle. And Kennedy actually exhaust wrapped the upper radiator pipe. Just gotta cut the rubber hose for it. It's not too bad.
Try to put the O-ring in.
Have not done that yet, Joe.
Oh, hey, this ain't even the live stream.
No, this is the
Where's the live stream?
my phone died.
Oh, the poor guy.
Yeah, my phone it was sitting right there and it just died. So sorry, live chat.
Yeah, David and I both go.
Oh, by the way, Kennedy's here. Hello, Kennedy.
Hello, YouTube.
So yeah, we're slowly making progress, I guess, kinda. My car is in like a million pieces, I feel like.
This looks so better than that silver stuff.
Yeah, so it used to look like that, but even worse. Because it was like peeling and it was junk. So Joe welded up that nice upper radiator pipe.
That line, that's a burn.
Joe burnt himself. Someone send help, please. SOS. What are we gonna do? Burnt your hands. Yeah. So, we're making some progress. So we're gonna powder coat that bracket or paint it. Are you putting a bracket on the bottom or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Joe's also gonna make a little bracket for the bottom.
Tune in tomorrow.
Tune in to tomorrow's.
One bracket at a time.
One bracket at a time, guys. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. So we will see you guys tomorrow. We'll make the bottom bracket, get the air-to-water mounted up, and then we can start making intercooler pipes.
No, pipe.
We can figure out what we need so we can order to make pipes. See you guys tomorrow. Fix my little mess up. Fuck, I'm gonna let you go.
She's burned.
Oh yeah, she ain't going nowhere, Holmes. Damn. So just leaving Joe's, we got the air to water mounted up. It is sturdy and it's ready to go. So now we just got to adjust some of the intercooler piping. We just got to make it shorter on one side and kind of swivel the pipe up, and then on the turbo side we've got to actually probably add some pie cuts, but we have some pipe left over from when we originally did the intercooler piping, so I actually don't have to order any more extra piping, which is always nice, save a little money here and there. But so we're gonna start the fab work on the pipes this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some fittings and some line tomorrow. That way when I go over and Joe's working on the fab work for the pipes, I can actually start working on running the lines to the back, and then we can mount the ice tank up and then mount the David Craig's pump. So we are moving right along with the air to water setup. Like I said, huge stuff to come this week. I actually just found out one of the things I ordered is actually arriving this week. It got bumped up in shipping. That's always a good sign. So if you guys are enjoying the videos on the Mustang, it's pretty crazy that we finished the Mustang like maybe 2 months ago and now it's already back and we're already doing upgrades. But that's part of it, and that's probably the best part and the most fun part about it, besides driving it, is always doing upgrades. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you follow Joe on Instagram at Streetcar Joe, the man, the myth, the legend, the best welder in the West Panhandle. I'll see you guys on the next one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Van39. Peace!